What would you like to say to that, Madhuri? She's not nervous facing the camera with you. I think would you do you appreciate that quality in the younger?
I love that
today?
quality in the youngsters. They're so confident and they're so just there, and they are doing such a good job. And it's wonderful to see.
Uma, hi. My question is for you. How was your experience working with Madhuri Dixit? She's been such a renowned actor.
Well, it was wonderful, and she is wonderful, and she made it very easy to act with her. I know you people think that big actresses are difficult people, but that's actually not true. She was very warm, and I think she just made every scene very easy to do. Yeah, so we were just honestly just playing off each other.
Question for Huma. What's that quality in Arshad which made you attracted towards him?
In the movie, Munia likes the fact that he's uncouth. So I think, that's what set off, the romance between Munia and Babban in the film. They both are Bachchan flowers.
Uma, we have talked about you acting with Madhuri, but dancing with Madhuri is something people have to think twice while dancing.
I'm still thinking about it.
So how was it? How was it to dance with her?
Well, I danced very little, but it was great fun because, like I said, she made it very easy, and everybody else, Abhishek, made it very easy. The only thing I remember very vaguely from that day shoot was Abhishek looked at me and smiled and said, "Not bad," and she hugged me and said, "I don't bite." So the rest of it is just a blur.
Question for Rekha ji. Hi. You sang other song which we are saying. So as a singer, what qualities are needed to give playback to India's biggest female superstar?
I think as a playback singer, आपकी तैयारी तो रियाज और वही सब है. आप कितनी तैयारी करते हैं, लेकिन to play back for Madhuri Dixit or for great stars is it's something I think comes with success. Basically, if I were not successful, I don't think I would have got to sing this song for her, and it depends on the music director. So Preetham called me because he felt my voice would suit. He wanted dignity in the song, so he said, "I want you to sing." He wanted classical based singers, so he called me, and that's how it all began. यस एक कैलाश खेर के लिए गाया है और हिमेश रेशमिया के लिए रिसेंटली एक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड किया है. मेरी अटरिया पे आजा रे सवरिया, देखा देखी तनिक हो जाए. हमारी अटरिया पे आजा रे सवरिया, देखा देखी तनिक हो जाए. हमारी अटरिया पे. Thank you.
You think that moth is necessary?
Moth is a reality, not a necessity. It is a reality of life, and different people have different loves. There are people who die for the country because they love the country so much. There are people who die for others. There are people who protect others. So there are different kinds of love everywhere in the world. And like I said, death is a reality. So.
Some kind of lovers should just die anyway.
Could I please request Madhuri ma'am and Uma to please come forward?
ये माइक कोई ले लेना.
Thank you. Before you all leave, you can say whatever you want to Madhuri ma'am and Huma. Okay, thank you so much, Anya. Thank you so much. This event has been managed by